Every superyacht has its own specific requirements that influence the way it's built. In the Netherlands, Bart Bauhaus pays a visit to the shipyard where an unusual production method is used to build a yacht for an Italian client.
We're going to the building location of the Gamma 20. The Gamma 20 is a second boat we're building for this owner. Very dedicated yachtsman with a lot of experience and high challenge project. Because we have to deliver the boat in a very short time, we are reducing the build time from 13 to 9 months.
The ship is built with the Smart Kit system. All parts are manufactured off-site and then delivered to the shipyard. Normally, the yard has to customize the different segments of a ship. With this system, the parts only have to be assembled, speeding up the entire process.
Here we see the Gamma 20, steel hull, aluminum superstructure, built with the Smart Kit system. Big advantage, quicker building time, less paint, less filler works required. You see a very, very smooth surface, has no filler. Another advantage of the Smart Kit system, you build more accurate.
This method is more environmentally friendly than conventional construction methods. State-of-the-art computer software is employed to create less waste while cutting the aluminium plates that will form the ship's hull.
I'm preparing a nesting. That's where all the parts are put in one plate and the file will be sent to the cutting company.
In the cutting room, an advanced laser slices the steel plates to the right sizes.
Here we are cutting an 8mm aluminium sheet. You can hardly see the beam where the machine is cutting with, and that's mainly the reason why the machine has such high accuracy. Another advantage of laser cutting with such small laser beam is that you bring in very less heatness, so parts hardly deform during cutting. Parts can be cut on maximum 0.1 mil accuracy.
Once everything is cut, the pieces will have to be shaped. The next step is to build a ship from all the separate segments.
The parts are going to the location where they're going to assemble the boat. The parts are pre-numbered, are pre-selected, so everything is ready for assembly. So basically you can start on with building right away with the right part in the right flow.
Normally, we would basically dump all the parts here. In this new system, we pre-sort all the parts in certain cradles which have a dedicated number. You see here, this is bended, so it's ready to fit and plug and play. Basically, that's it. The plates are being deformed, so they fit to the shape. Is added to the structure. It gets its weld, and it fits perfectly, and it has the correct shape. No stress in the object, which is creating a very smooth shape, also easy for the painting.
Guido Bonandrini represents the owner of the Gamma 20 and often travels to the Netherlands to take a look at how construction is progressing.
Ciao Guido.
Hey. Hi Bart, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
This is a special feature. The visibility, the high windows with only 2 window posts in the front, and it's quite rare to have this view.
And especially during night time, when you're cruising during night time, you don't have any problem about the view. That is very important. So this is a yacht that you can cruise 24 hours per day. No stop, no problem.
Apart from the focus on their own designs, the team has to be aware of what's happening in the world of superyacht construction. This is Monaco, glamorous home to the world's most beautiful yachts. All the industry's big players attend the annual yacht show.
Monaco is the place to be for yachting. Everybody flies in, owners fly in, colleague naval architects fly in. So you got to be there to showcase your latest concepts, your latest projects, and to just meet everybody.
We can see products, we can see some finishes. It's an important event.
The event is also the perfect opportunity to show clients how the details suggested in their drawings will look in reality. Bart has asked Guido to join him in Monaco to show him a teak deck similar to the one planned for the Gamma 20.
We need to take a lot of attention on this part because in our boat we need to think about the dengue.
Guido is at the show to see various teak deck finishes. He's doubting a little bit between natural teak or the S-Tech.
We have here the teak decking and nice, good size planking. And we have the king plank here. What do you think about it?
Yeah, no, I love it, natural teak, and this one is very well fitted on board. But I want to take care about the environment first.
We have to take care, Guido, that the king planks keep a nice size, the nose of the steps keep the proper thickness, because that's the quality you appreciate when you see the nose of a teak step.
Yes.
The deck of a ship is of great importance. It needs to endure a party or two, but also has to be able to cope with severe rainstorms, with being flushed with salt water on a regular basis, and withstand temperatures in both the tropics and the Antarctic. Star's fortunes look to be on the rise, but the progress of another super yacht is still in question. Owner's representative Guido returns to the Netherlands to check on the Gamma 20. Vital decisions have to be made regarding the interior.
What I'm paying attention for is to make sure that the value of the boat is also fitting the interior. If a client wants marble, the first thing I need to do is check with the naval architects if the weight isn't comparison with the things which are calculated for. And afterwards we can pick the nicest materials we can find, of course. The strangest demand I ever had, well, I've been asked to fit tiger eye into wall tiles, and in the end it was too expensive to fit a whole bathroom into tiger eye stones. Yeah, that was my, well, most crazy experience to find that out. Yeah.
Today we have a lot of discussion. We have a really long meeting because we need to discuss about the future details about the interior, delivery in time, and we need to discuss also about this.
What's good to know, Guido, is that you see the overall is quite oaky around here. We're going to adjust some of the woodworks into a stain, which makes it a bit darker, a bit more Wenge look, and also the curtains are going to be in a dark brown. Yeah, it's going to be a butterfly curtain.
So we have a contrast.
Yeah, exactly. Good to know is that these walls are going to be upholstered as well. And that's going to be upholstered in this fabric. Also very nice and
yes.
Yeah. So all the wall panels which are going to be here are going to be upholstered in this nice fabric. Also technical fabric.
So we don't have problem for maintenance?
No, not at all. You can see that it shimmers a little bit.
Yes.
So that's, I think, a very nice detail. And also here in between we're going to have the stainless steel strips, just
like
as the...
that one?
Yeah.
So we are paneling or just this part?
Yeah. We're doing a little bit of foam, of course, in between it. So it's also easy to bump against it and you won't harm yourself.